I've been asked to solve question 9 from student assessment 1. So let's get going. So these are the 2 points that they've given you. Part A says write down the equation of it. Right, so the first thing I always do is find my slope. Remember our equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which gives us rise over run. So then obviously this is 0.1 and this is 0.2, xy, xy. So y2 is 3, minus x1 is 5. So this is y1, y2 and y1. And then on the bottom, x2 is 5 minus negative 2. So I turn it into a plus. So that means I have 3 minus 5, which is negative 2 over 7. All right, seems slightly annoying, but that's okay. We can manage this. All right, so then I have to find the equation. So I'm going to use this formula. It doesn't matter whether I use 0.1 or 0.2. I'll use 0.1 because I can. So y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, and it's negative 2, so I have to add. So now I'm going to distribute my brackets. So negative 2/7 x minus 4/7. Right, so a negative times a positive is a negative. Then I'm going to bring across my 5, negative 2/7 x minus 4/7. Now I'm going to add 5, but I'm going to turn it into a 7th, right? Because I need to combine these things. So 5 over 7 is 35 over 7. So then y equals negative 2/7 x plus 31 over 7. Okay, weird and annoying, but that's okay. We can deal with this. This works just fine. So that's the equation for part A. So that's the equation of the straight line that passes through these 2 points. Now, part B asks me to write down the equation of a line that is perpendicular to this, but also passes through, let me just change colors. All right, so it also has to pass through which one? This one. All right, so it's going to be perpendicular. So that means the perpendicular slope is flip this, change the sign. So positive 7 on 2. So I'm going to use exactly the same equation, but my slope is different now. So y minus y1 is still 5 equals 7 over 2 x minus x1. So it's a plus because it's minus negative 2. Then I'm going to distribute. So y minus 5 is 7/2 x plus 14/2. Now that's just 7, isn't it? 14 divided by 2 is 7. So let's just write 7. All right, now I'm going to add 5. 7/2 x plus 7 plus 5. So y equals 7/2 x or 3.5, same thing, whichever you prefer is fine, plus 12. All right, so that's the perpendicular line that also passes through this point. Okay, let me know if you need extra help. Good luck.